Pound. Words. I'm here at the construction site helping make compound words. A compound word is when one word and another word join together to make a new word. Here's an example. Here we have the word pan, and over here we have the word cakes. Put them together, what do you get? Pancakes! Delicious. Now let's get to work. Blue. Print. Blueprint. This house is way too big for one dog. Oh, I see what we did wrong. See what compound words can do? This word changed what kind of house it was. Same with this melon. Just watch when I add the word water. Watermelon. And even these two words here. Star, fruit. Star fruit. Lunchtime, but where's my lunch? And what's in that box? Lunchbox. I had a good time of making compound words with you, but now I just gotta say bye. Goodbye.